everyone, I am Simran Ramani and today I will be talking about the best free coding courses that you can take a look at. If you are new to programming or if you want to learn anything like Python, you want to learn web development, you want to learn machine learning, you want to learn Android development, whatever it is that you want to learn today, I will be sharing with you some really great resources that you can take a look at to learn about all of these things. Now the courses I will be talking about are going to be quick plus interactive. These are not going to bore you, and number of these courses will be a lot about learning by doing things. Okay, that's really important. So let's take a look at all of these courses one by one, and make sure that you will hit the like button. That would be really important. And now let's get started. The first course that you should take it if you are getting into programming, it has to be CS50. Went on YouTube. It's completely available for free. And you can also download this as so. This is the CS50 course by David J. Mellon. So guys, if you want to learn about Flutter, then this particular playlist, the NetNinja Flutter tutorial for beginners, to take a look at this. Also, if you want to learn about React Native, NetNinja also have a playlist on that, React Native. You can learn from this, right? So you can take a look at this. Next, you also have some really great courses that available for MIT. So you can take a look at this. Next, you also have some really great courses that also that available for MIT. MIT has this thing called as MIT OCW Computer Science courses, where they provide a lot of really informative content, lectures, courses, all available for free. As you can see over here, you have some great courses. You can take a look so you can take a look at this. After that, now you can take a look at after that you can take a look at edX, edX.org. So edX has basically partnered with a lot of schools, and they have provided free courses for you to learn about very different things. For example, you can learn about CS, databases, etc. and many more things. You can see all of these are proper courses. Okay, so do take a look at these, and yeah, bye bye. Now let's move on the next part. So you learned about Python, how you go to learn machine learning. Then this is the course you can take a look at. Machine learning by Andrew Ng, Stanford University, full course. And this will basically teach you the basic concepts of machine learning, how to get started in machine learning, and this would be really good because this is the most popular course people take in machine learning, how to get started in machine learning. And so you can take a look at this, and you can go into computer version and just creating CNNs. If you are interested, but then we have a certification from Google themselves. You can take a look on first scroll down, and this Android development certification from Google. Click on explore. Like I want to learn work manager, then I'm here clicking on explore. Then again click on explore, then just start learning. Okay, so this can be a great if you learn about this. So I had some quizzes along the way.
This video, make sure that you will hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Bye.